Racing just started. Diamond Quest break weekly at the start. King's Dominion in the middle portion comes Janelle's episode para sa iyo. Dr. Choice comes next. Xanapos, Paminsan, Minsan, while Andorra getting the wide strip as they make the first turn. And as they swing down the back, we have Janelle's episode now takes command by about 2 lengths. Diamond Quest in second, moving up now on the outside is para sa iyo. King's Dominion comes next. Xanapos, Andorra in the middle portion comes Dr. Choice, while Paminsan is racing in less by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Janelle's episode being pops the question on the outside, and about to throw the challenge is para sa iyo. We have para sa iyo now takes command. Janelle's episode draws back in second. Diamond Quest, King's Dominion, Andorra, Anapos, Dr. Choice, and Paminsan. And as they swing for home, we have para sa iyo this time by about 6 lengths. Janelle's episode in second, Anapos, and on the outside, Diamond Quest. Last 75 meters, we have para sa iyo now racing away. And finally, it's para sa iyo. Janelle's episode, Anapos, King's Dominion, and Diamond Quest.
7-4-2-5